Hello viewers, today I'm going to unbox Indigo aspirator blower machine. This is industrial blower machine, 800 watt. Blower machine is very important for to clean the PC case. Activities. This is 800 watt. 220 to 240 volt, 55-60 hertz, 15,000 per minute rotation speed, and blow at around 0 to 4.5 meter cube per minute. Accessories include 1-piece dust bag, Indigo dust bag, 1-piece flexible tube, 2-piece suction nozzles, blowing pipe, and 1 set carbon brushes. There is a 2 model 400 watt. There is other models 400 watt AB4018 and another model 6008 600 watt. So let's see what's inside this. See, this is the flexible tube. Very heavy aspirator blower. (2019) model. This blower is very useful. An expensive blower. This is blowing pipe. This is a dust bag, Indigo dust bag. Dust inside. This is function nozzles. 2 pieces. Suction nozzles.
Check it out.
double insulated for additional protection. Wear safety glasses, hearing protection and dust mask. Waste electrical products should not be disposed with household waste. Please recycle where facilities exist. Check with your local authority or retailer for recycling advice. Safety alert, please only use the accessories supported by the manufacturer. So safety instruction. Actually this is for any blower machine. For longevity, for any blower machine longevity warning. While operating the machine, always wear substantial footwear and long trousers. Do not wear loose clothing or jewelry that can be drawn into the air inlet. Keep long hair away from the air inlets. Wear protective goggles while operating to prevent dust irritation. The wearing of a face mask is recommended. Before using, check the supply and extension cord for signs of damage and aging. Do not use the machine if the cord is damaged or worn. Never operate the machine with defective guards or shields or without safety devices. For examples, debris collector in place. Only use a weatherproof extension cable fitted with a coupler according to IEC. Operation, always direct the cable to the rear away from the machine. If a cord becomes damaged during use, disconnect the supply cord from the mains immediately. Do not touch the cord before disconnecting the supply. Do not carry the machine by the cable. Disconnect the machine from the main supply whenever you leave the machine before clearing the blockage, before cleaning or working on the machine. If the machine starts to vibrate abnormally, operate the machine only at daylight or in good artificial light. Do not overreach and keep your balance at all times. Always be sure of your footing on slopes. Walk, never run. Keep all cooling air inlets clear of debris. Never blow debris in the direction of bystanders. Recommendation to operate the machine only at reasonable hours, not early in the morning or late at night, when people might be disturbed. Recommendation to use rakes and brooms to loosen debris before blowing or vacuuming. Recommendation to slightly dampen surfaces in dusty conditions or use moisture attachment. Recommendation to use the full blower nozzle extension so the air stream can work close to the ground. Maintenance and storage. Keep all nuts and bolts screws tight to be sure the machine is in safe working condition. Check the debris collector frequently for wear or deterioration. Replace worn or damaged parts. Store the machine only in a dry place. Use only genuine replacement parts and accessories. To connect the machine, only a supply circuit protected by a residual current device with a tripping current of not more than 30 mA or mains powered machine. To avoid using the machine in bad weather conditions, especially when there is risk of lighting. Do not block the blower opening or intake. Blocking the blower opening will cause an increase in the motor rotation speed abnormally and might damage the vanes on the inner section of the unit or cause injuries. The motor might also overheat and cause a fire.
But we got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I know ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young vet. Wiz, you was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas. my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash is long, I hit the gas, I'm gone, riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone, I bet I blast them all, sliding on faith. I've been finding my ways, grinding for days. I've been out shining the hate, all of y'all wanted for praise. Stuck in a phase, let it and turn it ablaze. Yeah, homie, you don't want no race, nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate. Yeah, all I ever known, put me on this throne, pinnacle. Push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you own. Push it and I zoom, sonic booms, fill the room. Ride it till the tomb with my goons, motherfucker fumes. Y'all know what it do with the crew when we coming through. Y'all know better move.
We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes, next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I know ball hard, mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your lace. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young vet, Wiz, you was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you, 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you, 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the
Samsung nozzle.
I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Okay, my timing is critical. They know my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash is on, I hit the gas, I'm gone, riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone, I bet I blast them all, sliding on faith. I've been finding my ways, grinding for days. I've been out shining the hate, all of y'all wanted for praise. Stuck in a phase, let it and turn it ablaze. Yeah, homie, you don't want no race, nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate. Yeah, all I ever known, put me on this throne, pinnacle. Push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you own. Push it and I zoom, sonic booms, fill the room. Ride it till the tomb with my goons, motherfucker fumes. Y'all know what it do with the crew when we coming through. Y'all know better move, make it fast. Ain't no second chance coming for your ass. Turn to ash, burning rubber, now better push the gas like.
I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Look left, look right, and I come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right. This what the angles look like. Way up, stood high, taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life, whipping the sauce when I cook like. Look left, look right, yeah, come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right, hook right. Make all the man them look twice. I'm way up, stood high, but I've been in the field like Suge Knight. And they know this took time. This what a legacy look like.
This what I come with a hook right, and I come with a hook right, and I come with a hook right, and I come with a come with a and I come with a hook right, and I come with a hook right, and I come with a hook
Taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life, whipping the sauce when I cook like.